Okay, there's Joker, still got the bike up there. I'm gonna have a quick walk over and see what's on tonight. I think. Did you get that one, Marcus?
Okay.
The lady waiting for you there. Right, go on, give him a shout out, Marcus.
On at 9 o'clock is a tribute to Whitney Houston. If you've got that.
Yeah, I've got all three at the moment. It's getting really dark. Go on, carry on, Marcus.
On at 10 o'clock is Frankie Valli and the Four Seasons a tribute to the Jersey Boys. On at 11 o'clock is the Bruno Mars Experience featuring our best mate Josh, if he still works there. On at 12 is the brilliant Meatloaf tribute act, one of the best acts in Benidorm. Then ending your night is Q-Jam at 1 o'clock with another good friend of ours, Michael.
There you go, guys. Great night in there. Yourselves out in there if you're in Benidorm. The one we've come to see though, over the road. Arcos Gold. Arcos Gold. This is not ready yet, guys. We've got an awful lot to do on this. Where am I? Can't really see where I am on here. Okay, hopefully you can see the Archers. I take it that's going to be the Archers Lounge and bar. Yeah. I thought they were going to be open the 10th this month. Maybe I've got that wrong. Maybe it's 10th next month. They do seem to still be working on it. That's lightened it up a little bit. There we go. Looks like it's going to be a fantastic hotel when it is open. Yeah. Take that's where the entrance is going to be, somewhere down there. No, it doesn't. Looks like it's further along there. So they're still working on it at the moment. Not exactly what they're doing. But yeah, I'm sure they said it was going to be open the 10th this month. We'll have to wait and see, guys. I think I went on the website and they were taking bookings from then. we need to get on with it a bit, I think. Maybe it's some outside work they're doing, I think. Yeah, looks like they're laying slabs and stuff. Just behind the fence there. Okay, let's go a bit further along, see if we can get a look from the other side. Typical. The lorries pull up in the way there when you try and look at something. Yeah, it looks like the entrance there. There, sorry. You can see they look like they've got quite a bit of work to do still. And all out the front here. They all look nice. One palm tree at the moment. Feeling a bit sorry for itself. Sure it'll be fine. We can get a look around the side. Yeah, so we're still going to be waiting on that one, I think. I think if they've got people in booked in for the 10th, which is like 4 days' time, I think they might be going to another hotel. Let me know if you know any more than I do on it. An opening date. Okay guys, we'll leave the video here. Don't forget to like and subscribe as normal. We have got the PayPal me under the videos now. If you want to make some more donations to the channel. It's going to be warm the next couple of days, so we're going to need some drinks and stuff. Yeah, want to see more from Benidorm, watch once come up in the card, and we'll see you on the next one guys. Bye.